Hey, what's up everybody? It's truly DJ Roxy from Roxy Electronics Repair coming to you with another tutorial video. In today's tutorial video we have this beautiful legendary MPC3000. Currently this MPC has a problem with the pad sensor. So I'm gonna take you step by step on how to replace them. For parts, you can head over to mpcstuff.com. Alright, for this tutorial you're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver and a flat screwdriver. Of course, you're gonna need a sponge so you don't damage your MPC. In the back of the MPC, you're gonna see 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that you wanna take off. Once you've taken off the 4 screws on the back, you wanna flip the unit and you're gonna see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws that need to be removed. So after you remove the 6 screws from in the bottom, you want to flip the unit again and lift the cover. Alright, once you flip the cover, you want to remove these ribbon cables. And these connectors. Gently do this process so you don't damage anything on your MPC. Remove the ribbon cable that connects the screen. Once you remove everything, this should be free. You can put this on the side for now, because this is what we're working on right now. Alright, first thing first, you want to remove this ribbon from this motherboard. You will find a wire tie that holds this ribbon. You can cut it off with the scissors or whatever you have to cut that with. Then you want to remove these connectors. Put it on the side. Next, what you want to do is pull back this clip so you can remove the ribbon from your pad sensor. Next, what you want to do is remove these screws. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna go ahead and remove these screws. Alright, at this step, if you want to change your pad, whether you want to change it to red or any color of choice, this is the process where you want to change your pads, or if you want to just simply clean these out. I'm gonna take these out to clean them because I love my original pads when it comes to the MPC 3000. When it comes to the MPC 2000 and XL, I love to see red pads. Next, what you want to do is remove the pad sensor. Alright guys, so be careful when installing this, you don't put it all the way around. This is where you connect your pad to. So therefore, this has to go right here. Alright, what you want to do is remove this from the back of the pad sensor. You have to line this up perfectly with the holes on your pad sensor. Alright, once you got this lined up perfectly, what you want to do is flip it. And put this right in there. The next step is to put back everything together. Alright guys, so once you came to this point, all it is to put your MPC back together. You can watch this video in reverse. I don't want to do this video any longer. If this video was a help to you, thumbs up this video. If you want to see more and more videos, tutorial video, you can subscribe to this channel. We always have other tutorial videos on MPC3000 and MPC5000 and other lines of the MPCs. Like I said, for parts you can head over to mpcstuff.com. You will find parts for your MPC3000, your MPC2000, your 2000 XL, 2500, 5000, any line of the MPCs, even up to the newer MPCs, you know, like the MPCX. So head over to mpcstuff.com. Thank you for watching. It's your boy DJ Roxy from Roxy Electronics Repair.